Sir. Hey, sir.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Afternoon, sir.
Okay. Just catch my breath, ano? Kasi medyo mahirap sundan yung ano, Usap
Yes,
na
sir,
ako
yes.
ni ASEC, hindi umuulit yung step. Kumbaga, nag-iinit ka pala dun sa isang step, bago na naman. Anyway, masasanay din tayo dyan dahil marami tayong activities. Kayo, even sa compliance, na ano nga kanina na pinagpaplanuhan natin yung mga next activities sa kagabi pa lang, outside the session. Anyway, to start, again, good afternoon everyone. The initiative to establish the ICT compliance team is a crucial step in ensuring the department's compliance with policies, guidelines, standard operating procedures, and issuances from the Office of the CIO and the ICTMS. Over the past years, ICT governance in the Assembly has undergone significant development, beginning with the establishment of foundational policies and evolving toward more structured frameworks to address emerging challenges. However, gaps in enforcement, alignment, and integration have highlighted the need for improvement. This initiative strengthens ICT governance by institutionalizing compliance and standardizing practices across all offices, ensuring the department's mandate to protect the personal and sensitive data of our beneficiaries in accordance with international standards, particularly the ISO 27001, which is the global standard for information security management. ISO 27001 provides a robust framework to safeguard sensitive data, enhance operational efficiency, and maintain the trust of the Filipino people. As compliance officers, you will be champions and leaders of this endeavor, ensuring that field offices uphold these standards and operationalize them to achieve the department's goals of security, service excellence, and accountability. In preparation for this critical role, you've recently engaged in design thinking and team building activities aimed at fostering collaboration and strengthening relationships across offices. These initiatives are essential as we work collectively to embed ISO 27001 principles within our organization. Under the guidance of our ISMS consultant, Mr. Richard Regalado, whose charisma and personality are as remarkable as his impeccable fashion style, you've been equipped with a solid foundation in ISO 27001. His expertise has been instrumental in achieving our own ISO 27001 certification for the Central Office Data Center. I think we've been recommended, sir, and we're just awaiting for the actual certificate to be awarded, hopefully by January. We are building on this success to extend the certification not only in the central office but the entire department, including all the field offices. Your role as compliance officer is critical in this journey. By focusing on risk management, you will proactively identify and facilitate in addressing potential threats, ensure adherence to the standards, and facilitate their integration in the operations of field offices. This proactive approach not only mitigates risks, but also sets the stage for expanding the ISO 27001 scope to include all field offices, working toward a unified department-wide certification. This vision represents a collective effort to operate as one ICT team, fully aligned with global standards. Together, we will strengthen the foundation for a secure and resilient organization embodying the spirit of one ICT at the Assembly as we achieve our shared goals. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Director CJ. At this point, to set the note and theme of our event, let us call on, of course, ASEC Julius Quirospe for the keynote discussion of digital transformation agenda. A round of applause for ASEC Julius.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
Or RP, thank you very much for joining us again.
Thank you for inviting us.
Masanay na kami kasama lagi namin, sir. Tayo pa ng bagong team members. Sino nga yung bago sa atin?
Kasama yun.
Bago. Okay. Hindi ko mag-guarantee gagaling kayo sa IT, pero mukhang sa sayo kayo gagaling. Ang dami natin ganun. But anyway, I think it's, you will learn quickly that those things are important for us, as we build a culture, ICT culture na kakaiba sa department. When we started this about 2 years ago, walang as in wala talaga. So now 2 years down the line, I think we could see that the culture is starting to form, and I hope we could all continue it, and of course your contribution and participation is very important para may tuloy natin. So again, good afternoon to all of you. I've met some of you already kanina, some new ones, and I'm excited to get to know you more. As we do a lot of things. We have a lot of things in line for you next year. We promise that we're going to keep you really busy. Lahat kayo. So, handa niyo na ang sarili niyo. But anyway, I prepared a short message here for you, and allow me to read it. So, again, it's an honor and a privilege to stand before you today as we formally welcome you, our newly formed compliance team. So, I'm proud to say na meron ng ganun sa ICT. Of course, into the growing ranks of the Department of Social Welfare and Development's digital transformation journey. Today marks an important milestone, not just for our department, but for the communities that we serve. Your presence here signifies our department's unwavering commitment to building a culture of accountability, of course, integrity, and innovation. So, importante yun. We're going, as we innovate, kasi it's very important that we keep, that we do it ethically, that we comply with all the regulations, hindi yung basta makagawa lang. So that's why your role is very important. So as compliance officer, you are now part of a pioneering effort to uphold the highest standards of digital governance, ensuring that our technologies, systems, and processes truly benefit every Filipino. So at the heart of DSWD's digital transformation journey and strategy lies a simple yet profound mission. That is to deliver faster, more transparent, and more inclusive social services to the people who need them the most. However, this mission is not possible without a foundation of trust. So kaya kayo dyan. Trust in the security of our systems, trust in the integrity of our processes, and trust in our ability to protect sensitive data of millions of our beneficiaries, the beneficiaries that we serve. So this is where your role becomes indispensable. Establishing the compliance team is a proactive response to the growing complexities of digitalization. So as you know, this is not just makagawa ka ng system na simple tulad dati. Ngayon, systems are very complex. As we adopt new technologies to improve service delivery, we must ensure full compliance with laws, policies, and standards, be it the Data Privacy Act, the DICT's National Cybersecurity Plan, or the principles of transparency embodied in the freedom of information, and of course yung mga ARTA laws. Your role will not only ensure compliance with this frameworks, but also enable us to set benchmarks for the ethical and responsible use of technology in public service. You are the guardians of our digital integrity. As compliance officers, you will serve as the bridge between our policy commitments and the realities on the ground. Your vigilance in monitoring, reporting, and ensuring adherence to data privacy, cybersecurity, and operational standards will be critical in mitigating risk and sustaining the public's trust. But your work is not just about regulations and protocols. It is about ensuring that every system we implement, from the digital cash transfer under our social protection programs to the centralized beneficiary databases, function securely, equitably, and with the people's welfare at the core. So, if you notice, ilang beses ko na inulit yung people's welfare or our beneficiaries. Because yun talagang ibig sabihin ng digital transformation for us. Pag hindi mararamdaman ng beneficiaries natin or the people serving our beneficiaries yung mga ginagawa natin, wala ang digital transformation. So, to help you succeed in this mission, I should take on this crucial role. I charge you with a mission to uphold the principles of accountability, protect the integrity of our digital transformation efforts, and champion a culture of compliance across every field office of the department. Your work will not only strengthen the department, but also ensure that we remain a trusted partner in the lives of millions of Filipinos who rely on us. To help you succeed in this mission, our office, the Office of the CIO and ICTMS and the regional ICTMS stand firmly behind you. We will ensure that you are equipped with the trainings, the tools, and the support necessary to navigate the challenges of this new road. This inaugural conference and workshop is just the beginning of a continuous partnership. Together, we will build a compliance framework that is not just a set of rules, but a standard for excellence in governance. I am deeply confident in your ability. For some of you in the interview namin, we are very proud of your background. I am deeply confident in your ability to rise to the challenge. You are trailblazers, and your work will be a legacy for the department's journey toward a digitally empowered future. On behalf of the DSWD leadership, let me formally welcome you to this vital role. I encourage you to collaborate with each other, innovate, and most importantly, lead with integrity and compassion. Let us work together to make the DSWD a model of accountability and digital excellence in public service. Maraming salamat and mabuhay kay lahat. Thank you and I wish you a
Thank you, ASEC Julius, for discussing the importance of having this compliance team. Okay, and of course, ASEC, we are grateful for all the opportunities that you have provided and will still be providing for all of us. Of course, for our individual and professional growth. Without further ado, let us proceed to our session 4 that will still be discussed and facilitated by Sir Richard O. Regalado. Our session 4 is about the ISO 27001, the 2022 version fundamentals. A round of applause for our resource.